Welcome to Space and Style Studio. Today, we're diving into the elegant world of Japanese interior design, a style that blends simplicity, natural elements, and functionality. Whether you're looking to add tranquility to your living room or create a serene bedroom sanctuary, Japanese design offers the perfect blueprint. In this video, we'll break down the key aspects of this timeless aesthetic, providing you with actionable tips to bring its minimalist yet warm feel into your home. At the heart of Japanese interior design is the philosophy of simplicity. Less is always more, with every element serving a purpose. This design approach strips away the clutter, leaving only the essentials. It encourages you to focus on what truly matters: the space you live in, like the objects that fill it. Clean lines, uncluttered spaces, and neutral tones dominate, creating a peaceful atmosphere. One of the cornerstones of Japanese interior design is the seamless integration of nature. Japanese homes are known for their close connection with the outdoors, often featuring large windows, sliding doors, and natural materials. Bringing nature indoors is a key way to achieve this, whether it's by incorporating plants like bonsai or bamboo, or using materials such as wood and stone. In many traditional Japanese homes, floor living is an essential aspect of interior design. Furniture like chairs and beds are kept to a minimum, often replaced by tatami mats and futons, These elements are not only functional, but deeply rooted in Japanese culture. Tatami mats, made from rice straw, are soft underfoot and create a natural connection with the earth. Another iconic feature of Japanese design is the use of sliding doors and shoji screens. Unlike traditional doors that swing open, sliding doors save space and offer flexibility in room layout. Shoji screens, made from wooden frames and rice paper, allow light to pass through while maintaining privacy. Their translucent quality creates soft, diffused lighting that enhances the natural warmth of a room. Capture the essence of Japanese interior design, it's essential to focus on using natural materials. Wood, stone, bamboo, and paper are commonly used throughout Japanese homes to maintain a sense of organic simplicity. These materials are not just beautiful, they help create a Zen-like atmosphere. For instance, light wood, such as birch or maple, is often used for flooring, walls, and furniture, contributing to a soft and neutral color palette. In Japanese interior design, light and space play crucial roles. Natural light is preferred, and homes are often designed to maximize it. Large windows, skylights, and shoji screens all contribute to a sense of openness and brightness. The use of space is also intentional, with empty spaces valued as much as filled ones. The philosophy of Wabi-Sabi is deeply embedded in Japanese culture and design. It is the appreciation of beauty in imperfection and transience. In interior design, this translates to embracing natural materials that age gracefully, such as wood that darkens over time or stone that wears with use. Japanese interior design is more than just a style, it's a way of living. It teaches us to embrace simplicity, appreciate natural beauty, and find balance in our surroundings. Whether you're designing a new home or updating an existing space, the principles of Japanese design can help you create a serene, functional environment.